Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cook. Subscribers, you're appreciated. New viewers, you gotta subscribe. Why? So you get awesome recipes like the one we're doing now, which is going to be a vegetarian dish. And it's actually just real simple veggie fajitas. Now I'm using a yellow bell pepper that I've just kind of thinly sliced, a red, a green, same thing, thinly sliced, and one white onion, again, thinly sliced. So you can see, maybe just shy of a julienne. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in the middle there. And then I have half a teaspoon of kosher salt and ground black pepper. And then because I'm just being kind of simpler tonight, we're going to use a skillet sauce. This is the same skillet sauce that I've used before, but you can use whatever kind of skillet sauce you want, but you do need a little liquid. So if you're using the powder, make sure you add some water or some other liquid of your choosing. So I said that this is what I'm using. You can use mushrooms, you could use zucchinis, you could use squash, whatever you want. Please feel free to use what you would use in your normal mix for your fajitas. Now I'm just going to give this a quick mix up and get this so that the vegetables have a decent coating on it, but don't worry, we're going to put it all into the pan. Which, speaking of, I've preheated my pan. It's literally about 7.5 to an 8, so a medium high, and I'm letting that get hot, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we'll toss this in. So let me let that get hot and finish getting this mixed up. All right, so I've thoroughly mixed that up. Another thing that I do, and you don't have to do this, is I have my tortillas, which happen to be flour, in the oven, and they're just sitting there to warm. It usually tends to make it a little more pliable. I wouldn't go more than 2 tablespoons. This is just regular olive oil, just to keep the food from sticking. So right in, and you should hear a sizzle. 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 7 tops. And just keep mixing it while you're going. So we'll see you in 5 minutes. You can see it's all done. It was just a hair over 5 minutes. And I'm just going to scrape this down into this bowl that I did clean out first. Even though it is vegetables and there was no meat worries. Still just want to keep it clean. And I'm doing this just to help keep these vegetables hot while we plate. So with that done, going over here, remember I said I warmed my tortilla, so I'm just going to take a little scoop here, put it right in, maybe one more scoop, get a decent set of filling. And now the toppings are your choices. We got guacamole, we got sour cream, we got cheese. You could do a pico de gallo, you could do salsa, whatever your choosing is. So there's that, and then I'm using the Mexican blend cheese. Again, use whatever flavor cheese you like with your dish. Pretty solid. And then the last thing I like to do is I like to cut up a lime because I believe it brings out some of the zip to it, especially with that cumin sauce that we just used. And then I just roll it up for the kids. But that's all there's to it. There you go, there's 2 done. And you can see that there's plenty left over. So you're going to get probably 10 to 12 of these depending on how much you push into there. Feel free to add meat if you want to, but we were trying to do a meatless night. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring that bell so you get the notifications. And as always, check back for that next video. Take care.